Beneath the green canopy, secrets away. A hidden dirt path is the choice that I made. Through birch trees and rivers, the ancient wind blows. Deep in the shadows, the mystery grows. Above the trees, the spirit ascends.
A sacred peak, king of the silence, the veil is torn, the world is immense, two legs of light, the stone cross stands high, a sacred flight that captures the sky.
Over the brushwood, where wild waters gleam, flow